need you to talk to the others.
No.
I need you to thank them for being so kind to me and teaching me what it means to be a friend.
No, please don't do this. Please don't do this.
Mike, I need you to help them understand my choice.
But I don't understand.
I know. But you will. One day you will. You understand me better than anyone. I will always be with you. Goodbye, Mike. None of this will ever end. Not Austin. She didn't have a choice to make. But I do. And I need you to trust me to make the right choice. I need you to believe in me.
What happened is not your fault. Mel made her choice.